It's almost time for Season 2, but let's wrap up our September 2020 review before we let you know what's coming in Season 2. Ninja 1100 versus the Instant Ace Plus Blender, Almond Milk Edition. Because I'm making 2 batches of almond milk, one in my Ninja blender, one in my Instant Ace Plus blender, I need 2 cups of almonds. And I'm going to do those at the same time. 2 cups. Battle 1. Blender versus blender. The Ninja 1100 blends for 2 minutes exactly. The Ace Plus blender pulses on and off for 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Before we make applesauce today, let's take a look back at the first time I tried to make it. It didn't work out real well for me because the applesauce, as you may recall, was, shall you say, a little liquidy?
Yes, applesauce.
It is very liquidy. It is extremely liquidy. Did I mention that it's liquidy? On this episode, I try to remake the applesauce that I couldn't make in the first episode. Let's see how it goes. I peeled and chopped 4 apples. And this time, my bits are tinier than they were the first time. Alright. I just want you to see what it looks like because I'm not going to like it this chunky. I really like blended applesauce, but it looks pretty good. All right, well, to be honest, the jury's still out on this one. Now, we finally find out if she likes it or not. We purchased the Instant Pot Ace Plus blender. And I said at the end of it that the jury was still out on whether we liked it or not because we hadn't used it yet. Through the series, Can She Make It?, I have put the Instant Ace Plus blender to the test to determine whether I like it or not. The bottom line is I like it. The process of cleaning it is a little more difficult. Also, you can't get the base wet at all. So after you clean it, if there's any food residue at all in it and you have to really deep scrub it, it's a really tedious task of, let's pretend like this is the sink and this is not the sink. This is the countertop. I've got to take my nozzle sprayer and clean inside. If I had a regular faucet, this would be a nightmare. But since I do have a pull-down hose, it does make it easier. Now for the big announcement. When are we starting Season 2? That's right, we'll be back on Monday. Here's what you can look forward to in Season 2.